Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to save AutoCAD drawing in PDF format. Firstly, launch AutoCAD and open the drawing that you want to save as a PDF. Go to the Layout tab where your drawing is set up from printing or uploading. Here, tap on Output, option given on the top. Ensure that your drawing looks the way you want it to appear in the PDF. Adjust the layout, viewports, and any other settings as needed. Try plot in the command line and press enter, or you can find the plot icon in the toolbar. In the plot dialog, select a printer or plotter. This is where you will choose the option to create a PDF. Choose the paper size and plot area. Make sure the plot area encompasses the entire drawing. Under plot style table, select the style you want to use. You can use the default or choose a specific style. When configuring PDF plot options, choose high quality settings for better resolution and clarity in the resulting PDF file. Explore different plotting options with the plot dialog. Adjust settings such as plot scale, paper size, and plot offset can help you achieve the desired output. Once you have configured all these settings, click OK, giving the button to generate the PDF. After that, select the folder from your system where you want to save your file. Click on the Save button to confirm it. After the plotting process is complete, check the generated PDF file to ensure it accurately represents your AutoCAD drawing. If you guys enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions down below.